Yeah, the copycat is banned for many places. Besides that go-karting place. Yeah. The Le Mans Entertainment. I think he went there. Even the copycat was there months ago. The smell is still there. An underrated statement. His breath sucks. God, I hate the copycat. He would know about Charlie Curnow. But not too many info about Charlie Curnow, Carlton and Sydney. But the copycat goes for Brisbane. If his extended family comes from Queensland, then his family wouldn't have a clue about the Fitzroy Lions. Crap, he would know about the NRL, the Brisbane Broncos.
Do it.
Even though the Melbourne Storm is still going strong. Nick Salmon's NRL team, Gold Coast Titans, is again near the bottom on the ladder, which is the copycat fault. And then you got the Brisbane Broncos in 7th. Not a bad result, but we don't pay attention to the NRL. Well, the NRL is crap still. And the AFL is better than that. Yeah, I can see it's West Coast Eagles. And remember, if you see the copycat anywhere, and here in the Le Mans Entertainment, just give him the David Warner photo to stop copying him, or just call him the C word, because we all hate the copycat.